My name is Robert Castleton. I'm the CEO and the main founder of C&K Roofing. We've been in business for 24 years and we are the leader in the shingle industry in all of the Inland Empire. I think installing a complete roofing system is important because you get the warranty with the manufacturer from the ground up. You get your underlayment, your product, everything's rolled into one package.
I'm Ed Hemingway. I'm with Stoneway Roofing Supply. Definitely a big supporter of IKO and with this rebate program. All of a sudden the checks are coming, and then as they hit their marks, here comes a truck.
What was it, about November, I believe, we hit that truck platform, and I actually tallied everything up and sent it in halfway through the month just to celebrate.
My name is Gary Bottler. I'm the IKO territory representative for Eastern Washington and Montana. Favorite part of working with C&K is we share similar backgrounds. We're a family-owned company. C&K is a family-owned company. It was a perfect match for us to put this deal together.
The vibe around the office has been really exciting. When we were working last year to get the truck and we hit the goal, everyone was almost in disbelief that we were actually getting a new truck. And so it was pretty exciting.
Things are going great. They want another one. They're ahead of schedule this year, so like I said, look forward to being back here this time next year, giving them another truck.